My car is getting jumped right now. It should work. Oh, yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, I'm just getting a jump start right on it. Oh, fuck. That's it, right? Yeah. It's hard when it's dark out. I'm not towing my car. I'm just getting a jump. That's it. I didn't leave my lights on. These are just some fucking games. Oh. I told the guy too. I was like, I'm not getting my car towed. Good? All right. It's good. All right, thank you. It's good. Yep. Yeah, it's good. Thank you. What's that?
I'm just gonna leave Donald for a second.
Okay. But the guy, last time I got a jump, the guy said like run it for an hour or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the battery does look pretty old. I can't test them. They have people that do.
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it to a mechanic. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Maybe the lights were left on, but I'm pretty good about that, so it's weird. But yeah. I know people like think it's funny. Like I'm like I'm trying to turn on my car. Why is it not turning on? You know, but I do that because I have to do it. You know. I filled it up too. The car has gas in it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Thank you.